Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Our topic for today is the hollyhock flower. The hollyhock flower, with its vibrant colors and towering presence, has captivated gardeners and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Belonging to the mallow family, this majestic perennial plant stands tall, reaching heights of up to 8 feet, and adorns gardens with its showy blossoms. Native to Asia and Europe, the hollyhock's popularity spread to other parts of the world due to its striking beauty and ease of cultivation. Its large, bell-shaped flowers come in a range of hues, including shades of pink, purple, white, and yellow. These petals form a beautiful contrast against the plant's sturdy stalk, which provides excellent support for the blossoms. Apart from its ornamental value, hollyhocks have also been used in traditional medicine for their medicinal properties. Their roots and leaves contain mucilage, a substance known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory effects. In herbal remedies, hollyhock has been used to alleviate coughs, sore throats, and skin irritations. Moreover, the hollyhock flower carries a rich symbolism. It represents fertility, abundance, and the interconnectedness of nature. Its towering presence serves as a reminder of resilience and strength. Whether gracing a cottage garden or standing tall in a floral arrangement, the hollyhock flower continues to enchant and inspire, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those who appreciate its beauty. Regenerate response. Links for the hollyhock can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.